I'm Bernice Kissinger, and I'm the Allied Nation Dual Use Technology Lead for the Pacific International Center for High-Tech Research. It's a nonprofit organization, a US nonprofit, and we bridge the US to Japan and Japan to the US. So we're here today really to connect Mar4 PACT and its potential partners, both in the US and allied nations, in this case Japan, to focus on data sharing issues that really impact not only Mar4 PACT, but its partners in Japan within the Japanese Self-Defense Force and the community at large.
So right now we're in beautiful Hawaii for a PICHTR Allied Data Sharing Conference and workshop rather. And we're here partnered with industry as well as our Japanese partners to undergo a series of groups on how to share data in a contested environment. So the importance of the event from my perspective is that it's seldom that you get an eclectic group of individuals in a room to talk about how we're going to share data. And it's important because our systems may not be interoperable time now, and that's a challenge, but also the interoperability piece of working with our partner nations. So very important to be able to solve that problem.
I'm Lieutenant Colonel Motokura, Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, Ground Staff Office Liaison Officer to Mar4 PACT, Marine Corps Force Pacific. Now, data sharing with Japan and the US military is very important regarding for preparation for the future. I'm a military person, so after this event, cooperation between Japan and the US military and some test or examination will be happen more fluently between these two partners.
I'm Nobu Takahashi with a company called Diarkis. We're based in Tokyo. We come from the gaming industry. We specifically focus in the very large-scale network solution for online multiplayer games. So we are pretty much a software company that focuses on something invisible. Currently, we are already running in production throughout the world, really. I mean, most of our customers are Japanese game publishers, game studios, and things like that, game titles and whatnot, what have you. But all of those games are actually launched globally. So our servers and game clients are just all over the place.
I think the importance is for us to communicate with our partners, to identify challenges and find innovative solutions to those challenges. It's been an amazing event because we've had a lot of collaboration, I think, across the different working groups that we've set up. We hear voices from industry, from government, from US, from Japan, both on the military side and industry side. So it's been a great opportunity. I'm most hopeful about the collaboration that I'm seeing and the opportunity for industry partners to understand what these challenges are, to be able to talk with both the US and Japanese military to understand where we're all trying to go with the problems that we're facing, and being able to come together and look for ways that we can solve those problems.
It is multiple challenges. It's a hard problem. It ties back to the question of integration. We have, as a country, a lot of complex systems. Sharing amongst those systems is hard. Our allies also have complex systems, and sharing just internally between those is a challenge. And then you add in the challenge of having those two groups of systems talk to one another. There are questions of security. There's questions of, do the communications even exist? Can the systems talk to one another? Events like this are critical for, yes, outlining what technologies we have today, but also gaining a mutual understanding of what are the interfaces that we're going to need tomorrow.
So I'm really hopeful looking at all of the interactions and especially the directionality that's been given by Mar4 PACT and MICTISA to team US and Japanese companies to really look at that teaming effort in composite organizations, most importantly, to address the underlying needs of data sharing between the two forces and take that forward with other allied nations.